So here we're going to add a little bit more flour for dusting so we can begin the kneading process for the dough. So you want to take the heel of your hand and gently knead the dough. I know I'm moving fast on the video, but you want to take your time and gently knead it. And if the dough is still sticky, add flour to it as you're kneading it. So you want to knead it for about 5 minutes and then form it into a ball. So I add about a tablespoon of olive oil and then I add the dough into there, and I want to roll the dough in the oil so it can stay nice and moist. And then you want to cover it up and then set it to the side for an hour so it can rest.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, so our dough is ready. So you want to add it back to a flour surface, and while we're working on our dough and our toppings, I also preheated the oven at 500 degrees Fahrenheit so it can be hot and ready when we add the pizza in. So you want to spread your dough out just a little bit and then add it to a pizza pan, and then you want to stretch the dough out to your desired thickness. I like my dough thick, so it's up to you on how you want your dough. And then you want to form your edges. And now let's add the toppings. So I added the sauce. It's basil pesto sauce. And y'all, this sauce is so good. I like the Classico brand as well as the Kroger Selection basil pesto brand. But yeah, this sauce is good. Okay, so I spread the sauce out evenly. And y'all, I like to get all my money's worth. Like, I'm wiping the spoon off, the lid. I don't want to leave nothing. So I'm adding my cheese, mozzarella cheese, on top of the sauce. And it's so important to put your cheese under your toppings because you don't want it to burn. And now you want to add your feta cheese. Your red and yellow bell peppers, and you want to slice them pretty thin. Now we're going to take some melted butter, and if you can't find a specific butter, it's okay. I have instructions on how you make it. I'm going to add some parsley to it as well, but it's just butter, garlic powder, parsley, and basil, and parmesan. And then you want to take that mixture and brush it around the edges of your dough. And we are all done, folks. So you want to add your pizza into your preheated oven of 500 degrees Fahrenheit. And you want to cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes. It depends on your oven. I did 20 for my oven. So you want to make sure you watch it. And that's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed. Try the recipe. And until next time, thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day.